Hi, welcome to session 10. I'm going to start with my riddle. Why do we call money dough? Because we all need some. All right. How about this? Money talks, but all mine ever does is say goodbye. I think it goes without saying if I ask the question, what is one of the obstacles that stand in your way of achieving and accomplishing that which you want? It may very well be money. I think education, quite frankly, is the key to making any sort of change, growth that you might want. And so I am so proud of you and glad that you are in college, but I know that you have a mountain of challenges, and one of those includes money. So this session is about financial literacy and figuring out a plan or a path to best manage your money to achieve and accomplish all the things you want to do. A couple things I will point out when we get to talking about the major assessment that's due this session, which is Portfolio Part 2. I'm going to let you, if you are not specifically in college transfer program, I still encourage you, you're going to be asked to take a look at a four-year school and figure out how much it costs, that type of thing. But you can also include NASH in your look as well. But anyway, we'll get to that in just a second. Let's take a look at some other things that are going to be featured in this session. Okay, so overview item number 1 is a financial aid presentation. It's specific to Nash Community College. It's presented by Heather Perry, a wonderful, wonderful financial aid officer here at the college, and you don't want to miss that. She talks about financial aid, FAFSA, but also scholarships, and very specific to Nash, but also general enough that it's great advice and it doesn't take too long, so I need you to watch that. After you watch that, then it'll be how to create a budget, how to really manage your money, because we always have more month than we do money. I don't know about you, but it is true. And then finally, the skinny on scholarships, another helpful video on getting funds other ways, because some of us do qualify for financial assistance, some of us don't, and we're like, but we still need help, and so this is an important video to watch that regards. So lots of great overview items, and after you've read chapter 4, page 102 to 112, do exercise 4.7 on page 104 to help you to determine the answer to the question, how financially aware are you? And then you can dive into the Financial Literacy Forum and share some advice and challenges with your classmates. And so that's good to do that activity first so that you can participate thoroughly in the forum. And then another activity that you'll need to do is complete a budget workshop. Not looking to get anyone in trouble with this budget workshop, but it really lets you see where you are spending your money, and looking for those answers and to just see how things are. Sometimes you actually can surprise yourself. And then the major assessment for this session is Portfolio Part 2, and I'm going to go to that. Remember, you access the actual assignment by clicking here, and you also submit this document there as well. Again, be sure to make a copy for yourself, put it under your name so that you can work from it. And let me continue on. So it's really assessing your expenses, reviewing your financial aid, looking at student loans, and gives you the links and tells you where to go. And where I wanted to take you and show you was scholarships that you can qualify for based on the School Transfers website. But I will allow those students who are specifically not college transfer, maybe you're just at this point, as far as you're going to go is Nash Community College, you can feature Nash Community College in this section as well. But I encourage you, we may not have up to words of 3, so go ahead and take a look at some other schools as well. Definitely those of you that know that you're going to be transferring to a 4-year, that's my expectation for this assignment. So happy hunting for some money, and we'll see you later.